siya sa mag-drive. Lord, sumpayin mo. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Good morning, Philippines!
Grabe yung ubo ko kagabi. Uy, yung ubo ko grabe talaga. As in, sabi ko kagabi. Yung ubo ko, every night siya mag-atake, guys. And hindi ko talaga siya mapigilan. Ubo ako ng ubo. Kasi, di ba yung NyQuil is para siyang ano, para pag may sakit ka. Pero, pag may ubo din, okay din siya. Kailangan ko tong ikat. And then ito din itrim. Dehydrangea. Yung flower na maganda yan. Good morning. Maganda talaga to. Kaya bumili ako isa. Nag-open na yung iba. Tayo na. Ang saya niya. Ang saya. Marami ng bulaklak. Oh. Ito yung pinakamaganda sa lahat. And then, yan. At ito naman, ang saya-saya, nag-open na. Dark purple, oh. Ang saya niya. Nag-open. Look. Open na siya. Masaya talaga yan, guys, oh. Iwan ko talaga. Parang hindi parang hindi siya nawala ng bulaklak pa. Yung parang nakita ko nga sa'yo. Almera yung pangalan nito. Lako. May bagong tumutubo. So, hindi siya walang katapusang bulak. Naghanap ako nito. Wala na akong nakita. Gusto ko ng ganito. Masarap. Ganda tignan. May mga bagong tubo. So, hindi talaga siya mawawala ng bulaklak. Yung cucumber ba, iwan ko na lang talaga. At saka yung, di ba nagtanim ako ulit ng string beans. Hinuhukay na naman, kahit naglagay na ako palagi ng ng bird food. Naghukay na naman sila doon. Iwan ko talaga. Hi guys, late na po akong nag-vlog. It's almost 2 o'clock. Hinihintay ko lang si Tami, kunin na tong cellphone. Binabantayan ko yung post ibon kasi andito si Dimples, nakatingin lang. So kailangan kong tignan sa camera kasi nilagay ko yung camera dito. Look. Nakapalda po pala ako, guys. Sinuot ko na yung palda, look. Palda tayo para masuot naman natin, di ba? Magtrabaho nga sana ako sa labas kaso next time na lang, baka bukas na lang, baka Monday. Kasi ano talaga, nag-ano lang ako dito sa loob ng bahay. Ubo yun. Yung ubo ko, hindi pa rin siya okay, guys. Ano pa rin ako, ubo ng ubo. Mas malala siya pag tanghaling, yung mga umaga, mga 2 o'clock, mga ganun. Yung pa umaga na, yes, lalala siya, ubo ko ng ubo. Kaya I think umalis si Tami sa tabi ko. Sobrang aga kasi ang ingay ko. Maghanap kami ng notary, office para mapanotaryo na tong ano ni Tami. Yung sa lawyer para mapadala na balik.
Looks like there's 4 of them right there.
Oh my God. Hold on, honey, ha?
Give me your cough.
Oh, that's not. So okay, guys. Tommy is worried. I mean, he mentioned about last night his elbow.
I'm not worried. It just reminds me of that.
It reminds him of his brother, which is, oh my, it scares me, han. And when he said, I can't even like wanna hear it. I don't even wanna hear it, guys.
Okay, I'm just saying what reminds me of it. So that's what makes me think of it.
So his brother, after marriage, they went vacation, right? No, it's not.
Bear left.
Oh, it's honeymoon.
Huh?
Oh, it's honeymoon.
Honeymoon. So he's feeling the pain sa knee area, leg area.
Right. But he looked, there's no bruise, no nothing. He thought maybe he banged it on something, but there's nothing, no marks, no bruise, no nothing. But the pain just kept going. And then eventually, he got this big giant
Bolt
thing on his leg.
It's like blew up?
Because the tumor was growing inside the bone and causing the pain, and it wasn't until the bone exploded that it showed through.
And he has a bone cancer and sa leg area, right? Ano leg area?
Yeah, the
knee area. And Tommy mentioned it last night. It's just like scares me to hear it because he's feeling the elbow, guys. The elbow, it's like pain to hold the bottle. It's caused him too much pain to carry in. Is that in the right thing?
Yep.
Right arm. Show the elbow area, and I put something last night, a rub something, and I don't know, he said he's feeling better but he's still in pain. It's not really feeling better.
It helped a little.
Okay, dito kami sa library. Hopefully they have a thing. No cars in here. This is a busy area whatsoever, hun. We live in the busy place. It's a big city.
I don't know. People are dying to get in here. Look.
Han, don't see that, Han.
They're all dying to get into the library.
Your paper. You have your IDs? So, hintayin ko na lang siya dito. Wala talagang katao-tao. And then, yung harapan natin is a cemetery. Look. That was fast.
Yeah, not there.
Huh?
Not there. It says by appointment only because of COVID.
So now what? Where we're going? We have to find a place. You do like this, and then you copy the link. So ngayon, guys, pinaano ko lang si Tami. Okay, ganun. So yun, andun si Tami, may pinabili ako sa sa CVS. Pagkatapos niya, nagpunta daw siya sa dollar store kasi naghanap ako the last time ng diba, back scratcher. So ngayon, hindi ko nakita. So sabi niya, hanap na lang daw siya. So kasi walang notary, so ngayon sabi pa niya, mag-drive na lang tayo. So nag-drive kami. Sabi ko, sige, punta ka sa CVS, bili ka ng ganito. Okay, punta ka sa dollar store. Andito ako sa sakyan. May inaano ko sa cellphone. Tignan nyo, guys, nagpunta sa dollar store. May dala ng something. Sa dollar store, pero may dala. Ano yan? Dollar store back scratcher. Yun yung back scratcher mo, dong? Ha? yun yung back scratcher mo, ha? Yun yung back scratcher daw niya. Kaluka na, ano yan? Kariton. What is that? Back scratcher or like a cart?
They don't have a back scratcher.
So why you end up getting that?
It's cooler.
Well, you have a cooler in the house. How many
That's an
coolers?
electric cooler, and you can't put ice in it. And if the car is sitting there, not running,
So that one is you can put
that's
ice?
just a regular cooler. And the little one for 20 bucks, and this one for 25 bucks. I said, oh, fuck it.
So now you have more, you don't have more space in your car because that's a big one. Like your
Yeah, but
body.
I can leave that in their shell. Just
Oh
bag.
Huh? Because it's the gasoline. It smells gasoline. We are home really fast because we are home very fast. Very fast. Now we are home. Hala, Dada's here. The bird is in the bedroom. Pinasok namin yung ibon, guys. So ngayon, hindi na ako magluluto. Ang anuhin ko na lang is yung salad. Yun, yung salad and yung potato, i-bake. Laba-dami, labang. So, laba-laba. Ang daming labangan. Titami, ang dulcera, des. Ito yung mga, mga alaga natin. Mga tuwalya. Nilaban ko kahapon. Hello! Hello, sir. What did you buy, sir? Oh my God, more treats, honey.
Well, they were different.
Sir, seriously, more different.
I don't know. I feel
This coughing, guys, is not funny. But what is the funny thing here? Every time I cough, I feel like I'm going to squirt. Nothing happened yet, but it feels like it will. Yung maihi ko ba? Parang may lalabas. Oh, I always pick a bad potato.
Oh, they're picking bad stuff. Bad stuff. Bad potatoes. Hot potato, bad potatoes.
He's gonna leave me tomorrow.
Yeah.
I love you. So, ang gagawin ko pala, guys, is itong potato, ilagay ko siya sa oven ng hanggat maluto siya. Kasi, yun yung dinner ni Tommy with chicken, with salad. Look at him, honey. He is such a spoiled little boy. I'm gonna put it more. I mean, it's cooking.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Hoy, diyan, di mo tanaw dia.
Ang foods ti. Dire
Kurog kay kog kamot.
yan ang buo.
Kurog kog kamot.
Dol, wala mo motor bay? Kano sa luna?
Nadaot siya o naigo sa karton.
Excited kayo makabili. Gapo man ko, auntie.
Happy anniversary!
Buang bata ako.
Tayo pa ba? Lagan ko pa sa motor.
Wa dyan mo nag-ingon ba?
Surprise kami! Si Papa!
Nawala.
Tapa na, nandar pa. Motor.
Surprise!
Pa! May gawin mo! Kaya kami nakakita na!
Aswang butin.
Yeah!
Surprise!
Away di.
Dagag siya sa
Kandila dahil. Tara na ang puti.
Ako ang
Tawa dito.
kay dump truck.
Di mama, nangay po sa ilugwan. Eh, yung kasal ni mama, 38 years na ninyo.
Gami.
Bilis po dito na wag yung gabi ang amawan eh. Hindi ka, dili mag-ingon. Ang pinas Papa! Happy birthday to
Gong, salamat Gong.
Apila sa birthday pa ang long. Sige na.
Salamat ako. Amahan mo yung panagampo kami Diyos ng taknas ka kutuhon. Salamat Ginoo nga Ginoo mga panalangin Ginoo nga imuhatag ka namo. Salamat Ginoo labi na sa birthday ni Longlong ikaw Ginoo. Siya. Lord, tulay buta Ginoo sa ulit ka. Ilikay Ginoo siya sa mag-drive Ginoo. Lord, sumpay Ginoo yung kinabuhi taas pa Ginoo. Lord, isang Panginoon ng among anniversary ni Nalin na ika-38 katuig. Lord, salamat Ginoo kami nakabot ng maturiga. Lord, ang pasalabatan ng sa ngalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Sa magilaki na.
Ginawa, wala takay ko na.
Bisikan-sikan na niya, Tina.
Halak ka, upi na yung chocolate na. Kahit sa nila sa tinag.
Diyan, tawaga papayan.
Ay na, kao na. Tapos na.